We are pleased to show you the 2007 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, running boards, rear wiper, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.